the water that people, in fact, we must start here. There's no water in Koppes, which is part of Mat. People of Koppes, Baklisetswa metsi ka di truck, the same trucks that are used for sewer ablution. I don't know, those qualified people, in what fields are they qualified with? You must know, ANC has a tendency of hiring a qualified teacher to be a director in technical services. So we must differentiate, in what fields are these people qualified in? Because in the technical department, you would want an engineer, a qualified engineer, to work in that department. An engineer that will be able to tell someone even before bato test ka blue drop, or this water is drinkable and safe for consumption. You need a technical director who has engineering skills that will be able to tell you, or this sewer treatment plant will be able to work and maybe process sewer from Diwati with so much population. You need a CFO who is a qualified accountant who will be able to direct the municipality in terms of financial spending and financial management. You need a community service director that knows what to do with illegal dumping, how to develop the dumping site will also generate revenue for the municipality. We don't just want anyone with a qualification. Like I said, you might have a principal that is hired to be a technical director. That does not necessarily mean that you are addressing the problems at hand. And the other issue, they must not lie. They must stop lying. There's no improvement in what? Even with the employment or appointment of those so-called qualified officials, there is no improvement here. You still find service delivery collapsing even in their hands. So what improvement are they talking about?